Good morning, boys. It is 6:40 a.m. right now. I did wake up a little late. I'm supposed to be at the gym at like 6:30, but I don't wake up till 6:30. But we're gonna go on our way to the gym right now. I actually didn't work out since I got there late. I got there like 6:50, so I don't have much time to work out. So I just decided to go in the sauna. But now it is 6:49. I just left the gym and now I'm on the way to church. I'm about 10 minutes away, so hopefully I should get there in time, even though there is traffic in front of me. But yeah, we got church at 8 o'clock and then 8:30. Or not 8:30, 9 o'clock is when I have a class. So I am in school. This is my last year of college, so might as well finish it. So I got one class. All my other classes are online, that's why I really don't care. Besides this one class, it's in person, it's only about an hour and a half. So our class starts at 9, I'll probably get there at like 9:10. Alright, so I just walked into the gas station. We just finished mass, and one thing I will say is, what's an entrepreneur without some kind of Celsius? So this is the only Celsius I drink. Either, yeah, really this one. If they don't have this one, I usually go for the sugar-free Red Bull. But this one's perfect. Now we're on our way to class, which I think I'm going to be decently late. And I'll give you guys a nice little POV of our drive there. Maybe I can make it quicker and make it on time. So I'll give you guys a POV. This class that I'm taking right now is at a community college. So for me to be taking this car to a community college, people are probably like, bro, like, what is this guy even doing here? Well, I didn't have this car months prior, but I was already in college and I'm almost done technically. So I might as well like finish this, get my degree, say I went to college. So that's what I'm doing. But here it is. We're all driving to this is the campus right now. We had to go all the way to the opposite parking lot. That's one of them. But our building that I'm in is in A, I believe. So I got to go to the A building. Usually I have this class on Monday and Wednesday. And whenever I have these classes, I never usually take this car. Just because it's like, I don't need to. It's like sudden flex for these people. But I'm only doing it today just for the YouTube video. And honestly, I can make a lot of content with this thing. Yeah. But got to go to class. Started at 9 and it's 9:03 right now. So talk to you guys after. Alright, so I just parked the car right now and we'll flip the camera. You have people doing work, but I had to park the car a little bit further than where I usually park just because these guys don't. Alright, there's a guy doing construction legit right next to me. Jeez, this is loud. But yeah, I got class and all the other classes are a little bit more strict in the universities. So they gave me an opportunity to take it at a community college and that's what I'm doing. So do I really need to do this? No, but I'm also doing it just because I have a year left and there's no reason why I shouldn't finish it. But that's the building I have to go to right now. I'm currently sipping on my Celsius that I got. And yeah, after this I am going to be going into a cafe, get some breakfast, and then also do a lot of work just because yesterday I got home at 2. By the way, also, I'm going off of 4 hours and 30 minutes of sleep. I went to bed at 2 and I got up at 6:30. So some days are like that, and today I have a lot more work. And also, I have not mentioned this to you guys yet, I am doing a free webinar on October 14th at 7 p.m. EST. I haven't really made it public to you guys yet. Maybe when this video comes out, I'll have it will be public. But yeah, if you guys are interested in learning what I do and how to get started completely for free, join this free webinar. The link will be in the description. And I'll talk to you guys after my class. So I just finished class right now. And now we are on the way to a coffee shop, or a cafe I could say. So we're gonna go back to where I was. As you guys know, I did go to church in the morning and the cafe is in that same area. So now we have another 20 to 30 minute drive all the way back there. So that's what we're gonna do. My gosh! Gas is at $4.50 and my car was about 50 miles left in the tank, so I'm gonna say it's about 70, 80 to fill up this to a full tank with 50 miles left. So that's my guess. I haven't really filled this up in a minute, so we're gonna see. It cost me $80 to fill up a full tank of gas in a Lamborghini Urus. It isn't too bad, but this will probably last me about a day or two, depending on how I'm gonna drive. But usually I like to drive in Corsa. Okay, so we just got to the cafe. It's Cafe Origins, which you guys seen by the previous clip. Right now I'm on my work. I got me a, let me show you, shot of espresso, only because I've already had a Celsius right now. So I got 2 hours ago. This one got a
Caramel latte.
what was it?
Caramel latte.
Yeah, so he got a caramel latte, and then we also got food. I got an omelet, Billy Jerome. He got a smoked turkey sandwich and a avocado toast. So I'm not trying to eat too heavy, but that's why I got me an omelet. And now, hold on, man. Now we're gonna flip the camera, and now we're gonna do some work for about two.
Check out the most recent.
Yeah, guys. If you guys haven't followed my Instagram page, follow it. It's Gianni Amori on all social platforms. If you haven't already, follow it. What else am I gonna say? Yeah, we're gonna be here for about 3 more hours, so we're gonna do some work and grind. So I'll pick you guys back up later. Now I'm on my way to the bank just because I have a couple of checks that I have to go deposit. After I go to the bank, I'm going to make some content. What's going on, guys? So I forgot where I left off at, but right now I'm on the office where I do my work, and usually sometimes when I got a break or a nice little downtime, I like to come outside. And right now I'm drinking coconut water just because I got like a headache or something, so the electrolytes inside of this is better than Gatorade and all the other garbage ones. Whenever I have downtime, I usually just come out here, get some sun, relax. But as you guys do know, I live in Michigan, so I can get this for like 5-6 months out of the year, and then it's cold. And right now it's October 1st, so Q4 just begun, and for all my stores now, I have to focus and lock in for Q4 so I can make as much money as possible. So Q4 in e-commerce, or I would say in any business model, is the quarter where a lot of people start to focus and grind during their businesses. Starting today, since it is Q4, I'm probably just gonna stay in this house. Like, this is my house. This is where I do. This is where I have my office. This is where I work 24/7, and I like it. Even in the winter, it's such a vibe. I come out here, I look, like, they're all windows and everything, so I can look and I see everything. So during the winter, when the whole entire lake is frozen, it's even better vibe. It's cool. Since it is Q4, I have to lock in on my e-com stores, grind, so that's what I really got. Now, I know this video might not be the best video or the most entertaining video just because I'm not doing a lot of crazy things like going out, cars, things like that. I don't know if I even told you guys this, but even like a month ago, 2 months ago, I brought like 10 supercars out. We're all cruising, driving. I set it up with the new camera that I had. So with the new camera that I had, I didn't know that I have to do something with the mic in order for it to like actually work. So the mic that I had on that camera was horrible, like very bad. So I scraped that whole entire video, and I kid you not, that was probably my #1 best video that I ever made, and the audio got messed up, so I had to cut the whole entire thing. But you live, you learn, and you learn from your mistakes. But now it's time for me to go in the office back there, hop on a call real quick. That'll probably last me about 20-30 minutes, work on my stores. So I'll see you guys whenever I pick up the camera. I just finished up doing a lot of deep work right now. It took me about a few hours, but now it is 6:30 p.m. I got me a carry out from a restaurant that's right nearby me, and I'm going to eat it. But I'm going to pick up that food, and I got me a pasta, so I'm going to eat that pasta. Probably either go back to the... Actually, no, I did not even do the content earlier. Like I said, I told you guys I was going to make content for the webinar, but I have not. So my plan is to just eat the spicy rigatoni in the car, it's a casual day. And after that, I got to create a whole bunch of videos and content for that free webinar so I can put ads out. So I'll give you guys, I guess, a POV drive until I'm there. Guys, look at this sunset. It's about 6:30. I think the sunset sets around 7 o'clock. Bro, just look at that view. Especially since I'm always on the lake. Bro, every single day. I even have my, guys, you guys probably wonder, like, why am I vlogging on that professional camera that I bought? I don't know. I just wasn't feeling about holding the camera like this the whole entire day today. And I got the little small Osmo. So I was like, oh, you know, that works. But usually on that camera, I'd be taking some sunset photos sometimes. I don't know. Sometimes I'm in that mood. I like to take pictures. But I'm about to be at the restaurant right now to pick up the food. So I'll pick you guys back up. I'll show you guys what I got. So yeah, I'll pick you guys back up when I got the food. I already told you guys I got spicy rigatoni with chicken, but that's what I got. I got it from that restaurant right here, and honestly never had it with chicken. I think usually I get it with beef, but I'm gonna try chicken. Alright guys, so we somehow made it a side quest and we landed into a Spirit Halloween. We're not even getting dressed for Halloween, we just walk in for, I don't know, giggles. And while we're walking in, if you guys seen this clip prior, we hopped out of the car and we were getting called what? Sugar daddy? I don't know. What do you call it?
He said arrest me daddy.
Oh, arrest me daddy. That's what they kept saying in that clip. Well, I don't know what we're doing here. I guess we're just looking. And they're still right there buying a Halloween costume. Screaming at us.
Still screaming.
Yeah, they're still screaming. But somehow, I don't know, we somehow made it over here. Like, see? Yeah, I really don't know why we came in here. Maybe because we wanted to go to a coffee shop. And when we went to that coffee shop, we tried going to a coffee shop. Coffee shop was full. We tried going to a different one, it's closed. And now we're gonna wait for a spot. Now we gotta wait 20 minutes for this coffee shop. And this one's looking at us. No, you should get. I don't know what we're doing here, but we're gonna go to the coffee shop, so I'll see you guys. Welcome back, guys, to another YouTube video. Today, what are we gonna do? I don't know if they're gonna jump at me. I'm not sure where I left you guys off at. It might have been when I just finished off work and I went to go to the cafe. But I believe that is when I went to a cafe for another hour or two. Finished that off with me and my boy. He's doing his own thing, I did my own thing. And then after that, I went ahead and got me a smoothie, or not smoothie, a juice from this, it's a dessert place, but I just get myself orange juices because they're actually pretty good. And I don't want to go for anything that's like junk food, even though this has a lot of sugar. Very good though. But now I am on the way back to the office for a little bit. It's only about, well, it's about 10 p.m. right now. And I'm gonna go to the office, spend about 30 more minutes there. Like wind down, wear my red light glasses so I can wind down for bed. And then get back, hopefully home, showered, everything, sleep by 10:45, and I can be past asleep by 11. I like to be in bed and asleep early, which I think I'm gonna go to bed a little bit early, just a little bit. I usually go to bed about 10:30. I want to go for 10 o'clock or maybe 9:30, just because I want to wake up a little bit earlier. Because if you guys don't know, it is October 1st. So October 1st is the first day of Q4, so it's good for us job shippers. But if you guys are more into the faith and about God, today, October 1st, is the month of Holy Rosary. So every month I tried doing it last year, but I didn't really finish it all the way through. So during this month of the Holy Rosary, which is October, I'm supposed to pray one whole rosary. So today, right now, if I flip my camera, you can see right here on my phone, I have the rosary pulled up right now. I just pulled it up right now, I have not started it, but once I end this last clip of the YouTube video, I'm going to go ahead and pray the rosary so I can have it all set for October 1st, and then tomorrow I'm trying to aim. So this is my goal. When I sleep early, I want to go for about 10, maybe 9:30, 10. So I can wake up an extra 30 minutes to an hour earlier every single day, so I can get to Mass 30 minutes earlier, so I can use that time to pray the rosary every single morning. Because if you guys don't know, or if you're new here, I go to daily Mass every single day at 8 a.m. after I go work out, and honestly, that's made a great impact in my life, so I kept that with my routine, which I even brought you guys with me, and I showed you guys. That's my goal, is to at least pray every single day the rosary. So me posting this YouTube video, I think, of me saying I'm going to do the rosary every single day, I think it's going to push me and motivate me and make me disciplined enough to pray the rosary every single day this whole entire October. So that's what I'm going to keep with me. If you guys enjoyed this video, or if you guys liked this video, please leave me a like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications, and please comment what I should change or what content I should do. But yeah, this is the end of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.